Hi, and welcome to our third objective. Third objective. Okay, gotta like read my script here. In our third objective, what we're going to take a look at is a finance rule. Your book calls it the rule of 70, but finance people call it the rule of 72. Particularly if you're good at division, you can easily come up with the 72 part, but we use 70 as well. So let me go ahead and share my screen. This is going to be a pretty quick lecture. I just have an example to show you and kind of talk with you very briefly about what exactly this rule is. Okay, so we're going to take a look at the rule of 72, which basically tells us how long will it take for an investment to double, okay, and a financial investment to double. Okay, so here is the rule of 72. For your purposes on the homework, you should probably use 70 because you're not going to get the right answer if you use 72. Okay, again, finance people will like the 72, economists will like 70. Okay, so let's look at an example of a problem you might see. Let's assume you have $10,000 to invest in a mutual fund, and you want to know how long it'll take to double to 20,000. You're positive you can get an average rate of return of 8% each year. So we're going to take a look at the number of years. So I'll use 70 here just because that's what your book uses. So 70 divided by the interest rate over here, 0.08. And we're going to take this as an X. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is just turn this into a simple 8%. And I'm going to say 70 over X. Now, if I want to solve for X, which probably is better to call it N because that's our time periods, I can just simply cross multiply here. And I get 70 is equal to 8X. So if I divide each side by 8, I'm going to end up with something, 8 something. Oh, let's see. 70 divided by 8. 70 divided by 8. How about 8.75? I should have done that in my head. 8.75 years. So that would be the answer to this. Is it will take you investing $10,000 today. That's your present value. We know our future value. And what we're looking at is how long will it take it to double? It'll take 8.75 years, which is 8 years. How about 9 months? Okay. So hopefully that makes sense. Just a really kind of quick and dirty way that we can take a look at how often things should double. Okay. That's the end of this objective. Like I said, very short, very sweet. And I'll see you back in the next objective where we talk about risk. Thanks.